Namaste everyone. We proudly present Vocal for Local, Himachal's wool and culture going global. Himachal is not just a land of snow. It's a powerhouse of heritage, artistry and global craftsmanship. Our mission is to show how Himachal's local industries can create global recognition, economic empowerment and cultural prestige.
I am going to tell you about what is mean by vocal for local. So, vocal for local means transforming local creation into global innovation. The Himachali wool industry strengthens our rural economy, empowers women and promotes sustainable development. By choosing homegrown products, we amplify India's global presence and uplift thousands of local artisans towards financial independence.
Himachal's specialty lies in its kullu shawls, kinnauri caps, and gaddi attire, symbol of authentic craftsmanship and global elegance. Their eco-friendly production and intricate patterns make them globally admired icons of traditional meeting and modern design. These creations deserve international recognition for their purity and cultural richness.
The wool industry is the economic backbone of Himachal's cultural identity. Through exports and global trade of our handmade wool products generate foreign revenues, sustainable jobs and rural growth. Himachali wool stand as a global benchmark of quality, resilience and eco-conscious fashion.
Now, we are going to show a chart.
This chart is related to how we can convert yarn into sweater.
Steps of converting yarn into sweater. The sheep has fleece.
Sheep eats grass.
Then farmer cuts the sheep's wool.
After cutting, they will separate the wool.
They will put the dirty wool in garbage and they will wash and dry the clean wool.
After washing, they will remove the bugs.
They will comb the wool.
After combing, it will be soft.
They will put it in the spinning wheel.
It will become yarn.
We can add some colors also.
After adding colors, it will become colorful.
They can knit the yarn.
After knitting, the sweater is ready.
So, now I am going to present our model. This model represents the journey from local efforts to global excellence. So, now I am going to tell you all about some amazing steps involved in making something from wool. So, firstly, the hair is removed from the body of the sheep with the process of shearing. Then the fleece is cleaned in advanced scoring machines. Scoring is the process of cleaning the fleece. Then some more fantastic steps take place like combing, dyeing, sorting, etc. Then fleece is spun on traditional wheels. After that, they are hand woven into masterpieces. And now our things like sweaters, shawls, socks, etc. are ready. Each stage transforms local skill into global artistry, from our mountains to international markets. Himachal's wool is not just a fabric, it's our global identity.
Vocal for local, make Himachal global. Thank you.